Hey everybody, welcome to our weekend check-in video for Intro to LGBTQ Plus Studies for Saturday, October 28th. Just going to go over a few quick reminders like I always do every weekend there, even though I see y'all in class. But let's get started. First up here, your most recent quiz on Chapter 9, the first quiz 9.1 there. That was posted there, and we do have our second quiz on Chapter 9, quiz 9.2, coming this Monday, October 30th, so make sure that you're ready for that. Next up here, the big item is that your interview paper is coming up. I posted an announcement about this recently to mention in class there too. Wednesday, November 1st, so Wednesday this week. Make sure you take a look at the instructions you'll find in the dedicated interview paper module you'll find there near the bottom of our course page on Canvas there. Everything you need to know is there, all the instructions. I have written 4 interview questions for you to use ahead of time. You need to write 1 question on your own there, a 5th question. And there are also 3 summary interview questions there too. Make sure you provide the minimum number of sentences there for each of those items there. For the 5 interview questions there, you need to have at least 4 sentences there to respond to those interview questions there, and make sure you're not just providing merely quotes of what your participants said there. Some quoting is okay, but you need to actually write about what they said, so make sure that you summarize those, especially in those final 3 summary remarks about your interview. Make sure you have the minimum number of sentences there too. I believe there's 3 sentences required there minimum, and make sure you provide those there. And one of those questions does ask you to look in your book there and find something that came up in your interview that seems to be addressed by our textbook. So there's no specific formatting requirements for indicating that, formatting style, if you will, but make sure that you make that clear for me. So, and you are going to upload your interview paper in the dedicated submission area that you'll find in that interview paper module there. So make sure that you upload it there appropriately. It must be in Microsoft Word. The initial deadline is this Wednesday, November 1st, but you can submit late all the way through Saturday, November 4th. There's 72 hours. As late is okay, but there are deductions for a late submission. It's 10% deduction for being late, and then it's an additional 5% for every 24-hour period after that. And then after 72 hours, you can't submit it all. The submission area locks out. So try to get it in there on time. And all that's detailed in the instructions and submission area there too. The game plan for this coming week here is that on Monday, we are going to finish up Chapter 9. We're going to talk about books for young people there, children especially. I've got some books to pass around and show you. And then we're going to start working into Chapter 10, which is all about more of the visual arts, painting, photography. Got some great stuff to show you there, magazines, that kind of stuff. So really good stuff. And also, of course, we're going to deal with in Chapter 10 the issue of backlash. We've talked about backlash before. You've already talked about some censorship and moral panic issues. All of that happens again here too in the visual arts. I mean, surprise, surprise, right? When it's queer art, people tend to flip out sometimes, and that's what we're going to see. But some really good stuff that we're going to be taking a look at there. I'm really eager to show you. Actually, there's a lot of stuff to show because this is the visual arts. So your book authors do show a little bit there, but they're limited in what they can show you. But I've got lots of goodies to show you, lots of images that I have found, and some videos there too. So it's really good stuff. So I'm looking forward to showing you all that stuff because I really enjoy this part of the course. All right, that's everything I wanted to say for right now. If you need anything in the meantime, reach out via email on Canvas. Otherwise, I hope you're having a good weekend, and I'll see you in class on Monday there. So take care until then. Bye-bye for now.